Hi everyone, this is an example that I actually quickly want to solve from the vectors before we go to resolution of several vectors. Now the question says a plane flies with a velocity of 100 km per hour in a direction not 60 degrees east. Find its effective velocity in the easterly direction and northerly directions. Now what is this particular problem saying? Actually talking about we should find the what um the vertical component and horizontal component. Now for us to solve this particular problem, the first thing we need to do is to first draw the our uh, coordinate. Now we have something like this. This is north represent positive y. This is what south. South represent what negative y, right? This is east, which is what positive x. Then this is what west, which is what negative what x. Now the question says north 60 what degree east, which implies that the velocity is along this direction in between north and east. So the angle of inclination here is what 60 degree. So what's the velocity? The velocity is what v is equal to what 1000 what kilometer per watt hour. Right, now how do we find the effective velocity in the easterly direction? So we are looking for the effective velocity in the easterly direction though. So in this case we are looking for the horizontal component of this of this velocity. Recall in the first video I told you that f subscript x is equal to what plus or minus f what cos what theta, and I said f subscript y is equal to what plus or minus what f what sine what theta. Now in this case the vector we are dealing with is not a force vector, it's a velocity vector. So we can say v subscript x is equal to, now if you look at this x component here is positive, so it will now be what v what cos what theta. So what's the velocity? That's what 1000 times what cos what 60. So that will be what 1000 times 0.5. So cos 60 is 0.5, right? I'm very sure of that. Yeah, so that will now give us what 500 what kilometer per hour, so that is the effective velocity in the easterly direction. Also the effective velocity in the what northerly direction, so it's on positive y, so we are looking for the what the vertical what component. So also we can say v subscript y is equal to what, because it's on positive y, that will be what v right sine what theta. So that will be what 1000 times what sine what 60. That will be what 1000 times what is sine 60, that is 0.8660. If you press your calculator, that will be 0.8660. So 1000 times 0.8660 will give us what 866 what kilometer per what per hour. So this implies that the velocity in the northerly direction is 866 kilometer per watt hour. So I hope this video helped. Subscribe to our channel to see more examples and more videos on this particular topic. Please don't